Hey everybody, it is day 23 of our 6th annual Treasure Trovember Mixed Media Collage Challenge. I'm Kelly and I'm so happy you are here. We are a week away from the end of the challenge and you're doing great. Your collage is probably getting a little full right now, but we've got a week left, so if you are just joining us, if you've just found this and saying, what the heck is Trovember? I'm going to put a link to a welcome video down below. Watch that. It explains the challenge. It's a really easy challenge to catch up on. And we're just adding one thing a day to a collage for 30 days. So today, for day 23, the prompt is to add a map. Add a map to your collage today and then come back here tomorrow for day 24.